Hello, Rio traders. How are you? I hope so that you guys were enjoying last week analysis also. So today we are going to again discuss something on the behalf of gold, that what were happening to last week, why market has gained that much, and also we will discuss the market technically and also fundamentally. But before watching starting the video, I will suggest you that you guys must have to like, share and subscribe our channel. So it's me Sulaiman Khan, market analyst of Rio Traders. So before starting that thing, first of all we will discuss the market fundamentally, that what is happening to the market in the last week. So there were five reasons that were pushing gold towards the upside. The first reason was that American Central Bank, they have raised interest rates approximately 0.75%. And right now the interest rate is overall 2.5% in America. So the thing is that basically they have raised the interest rate. If interest rates, whenever interest rate raised, so it can move gold toward the downside. But why gold is moving upside? This is the particular question. The thing is that the gold is that's why moving upside, because the American Central Bank has declared very clearly that in the future they will raise interest rates, but with a slow volume. They will like that until December 2023. They have, some experts has mentioned that the interest rates will not be increased more than 3.4 to 3.8%. So this was also one reason that was pushing gold towards the upside. And also American Central Bank has declared that they will increase the interest rates, but with the slow volume. Like that, they will not increase the interest like that more than 1 or 2%. So this was a one reason that has pumped the market towards the upside. Now, what is the second thing? The second thing was recession. Everybody knows that in the last 2 weeks, all the markets were falling and crashing down towards the downside. But right now, American Central Bank has declared that right now the percentage of the recession in the America is approximately 50-50. So you guys cannot say that in America there's a recession. So there's a 50-50 chance, so it's not properly declared. So due to that thing, that also pushed gold, commodities and all energy markets towards the upside. So these were the two reasons fundamentally that has leads gold towards the upside. Now the third reason was America, that was the war between, that it looks like that there's soon there would be the war between China and Taiwan, and America is supporting Taiwan. So this is also the one thing that can lead towards that is pushing gold towards the upside. And the fourth thing you guys know regarding the Russia-Ukraine war crisis and all these things happening. So these are also some things that were pushing gold toward the upside. The biggest reason also, that is COVID, and right now Biden is also suffering from the COVID. So due to that thing, there's a one thing clear, that right now COVID has not been ended properly. So everybody should have to take care of yourself. So these were the 5 to 6 reasons that I have mentioned to you, that on the behalf of fundamentally, that why gold was moving upside. And right now we will discuss technically that what are the important things and what are the important areas that you guys should have to watch very clearly while doing trading. So right now I have opened the monthly time frame chart. I will you guys can see that market has not given us any bullish candle. And right now, but the thing is that here there is a one chance that if you guys, actually I will step by step will tell you that if you are a monthly time frame trader, I will suggest you the areas where you guys can look for the buy trades and sell trades, and what are the important areas that you guys have to watch very closely while doing trading. The thing is that right now on the monthly time frame chart, if you guys will see here, that this was the important trend line from which market has break recently. So this was the important trend line approximately so recently, which market has break from the downside, and basically market was supporting this area again and again. Whenever market comes to this area, market just jumps toward the upside, but this time market has just breakdown. So there's also possibility on the monthly time frame chart that this is, maybe this will be like that market has just break, that market will goes for the retest and further downside. So this is a possibility. And the second area here on the way, monthly time frame chart. So if you guys will see here on the behalf of closings, this is the also the area, one particular area where we guys can see here that whenever market was coming towards this type of areas, market was just try to move towards the upside. So this is also the one reason right now, if you want to look for the buy properly on the monthly time frame chart, I will suggest you that you guys should have to wait for the closing above 1819, and then after that is the proper retest, then you guys can look for the targets of the buy. So below that you guys have to only look for the sell trade. So this is the logic on the behalf of monthly time frame chart. One more thing for the intraday traders, here I will suggest you one more thing. If you look at here the monthly candle, so these I will suggest you some areas, so you just have to memorize these areas while doing trading. So if I will draw the Fibonacci retracement level from the high to low of the monthly impulse, so you guys will see here that right now we have approximately, this is the area right now where market is, that is 1762 and the 1732. So I will mark those areas in the while doing trading, that if market will comes again to this type of areas, I will make little bit more thinner. So this, yeah, I will mark it 1732 and 1762 where right now market is. So right now basically market has given us the closing on the monthly time frame chart above 61.8 retracement level. So it is telling us that market can soon goes towards the bullish side, because I have mentioned in my recent videos or regarding Fibonacci retracement levels that these 61.8 retracement level, this is the important area. And one more thing on the monthly time frame chart, if you will see here that right now actually market has did not given us any bullish candles, so that's why we cannot do the properly Fibonacci retracements on the behalf of monthly impulses. So let's move toward the daily time frame chart or weekly time frame chart. So we will see the important things, that what are the important things on the weekly time frame chart, what we are looking for. Basically guys, if you look at here on the weekly time frame chart, so you guys can see very clearly that the market was in a bearish zone, like that a downtrend. How you guys can see that market was giving us the lower lows, lower highs and the lower low, and this could also be the possibility of the lower high from 1784 or this type of area of market can again goes downside. So if market will be able to sustain here, then you guys can look for the further buy trades. But one more reason again, if I will draw the Fibonacci retracement level, so this is a proper impulse here. If I will draw the Fibonacci retracement level from this high impulse to the low, so here you will get the some answers that right now where is the properly market. So as you guys can see here that this is the one particular area, that is 1812. I will mark that area, sorry, yeah, and you guys can see that 38.2 retracement level, that is approximately 67 or 68. So right now we are on this area. So guys, you guys have to keep watch these type of areas while doing trading, because these are the important things. Now what you guys can see here, some reasons. You right now we are at a 38.2 retracement level. Guys, I have mentioned very clearly these type of things, that if market will gives on the next week, like that, on from the 1st August till 5 August, if market will give us the closing below this area 1765, so you guys can look for the downtrend, and that would be the huge downtrend. You guys have to keep mention these areas. And if market will be able to move toward the upside like this type of area 61.8 retracement level, and from here if market will tries to goes downside, then again you guys can look for the buy trade from 38, that would be 1765 area. So I hope so that you guys understand this type on the weekly time frame analysis very clearly. So right now I will remove these drawings and I will move towards the daily time frame chart. So on the daily time frame chart guys, you guys can see here that right now market is giving me two opportunities. The one thing is that this is the one area you guys have to make sure in your trading, that I have also mentioned on the Fibonacci retracement level, that is 1810, but I will make sure more clearly that this would be the particular zone. If you are new in trading, I will suggest you that this week don't trade, because this is there is a NFP news, non-farm payrolls, so that can makes market towards the upside. So from 1784 till 1812, So this is the particular zone for a daily time frame chart. So if market will be able to break 1784 zone, so you guys can see that if market will goes to this type of area 1812, so basically 1784 or 1785 till 1810, this is approximately to 250 pips approximately. So if you are new in trading, I will suggest you that don't trade in this type of area, don't trade in this type of area. So right now what I am thinking on a daily time frame chart and what the chart is telling me, basically it is telling me that market is trying to create the cup and handle pattern. The cup and handle pattern would be like that, this would be like that, market will go start like this type of area, then market will slightly goes downside, and then after that market will goes upside. So this is the one pattern which I am thinking that right now market is trying to create, but all these things will depends upon in the future. So right now guys, this I have mentioned two trend lines on the weekly time, on the monthly time frame chart, that are from, I will suggest you that from 1785 till 1812. I will suggest you, I will again warning you also that if you are new in trading, don't trade in this type of area, or I will suggest you don't trade this week, because there's an NFP and also there are some fundamentals, so that can makes the market more volatile. And one more thing I also mentioned on the daily time frame chart, that market has approximately, that this is the area 1730. If market will again comes, you guys can look for the buy trade. So right now guys, I will suggest you on a daily time frame chart that what are the possible entries you guys can look for. Basically guys, you guys can see that on daily time frame chart previously market was in a downtrend, but right now market is not in a downtrend. Why I'm saying this thing? Because previously market was falling downside, and right now market has created the higher high, higher low, and a higher high. So right now I'm waiting for the higher low to look for the properly buy trade, then I will look for the move towards the upside. So until where right now, because basically market has not given me any bearish candle, so I cannot calculate the impulse of the market. So right now if market will comes to this type of area like that 1738 till 1730, you guys can look for the buy trade. So this is whole the analysis. I will suggest you 1738 till 1730, you guys can look for the buy trade. So that would makes you the good that would be the particular good trade for you to look for the buy trades. So right now if I will do the analysis on the 4-hour time frame chart. So on a 4-hour time frame chart guys, you guys can see here that market has given a higher high, higher low, higher highs and higher lows, and then this was not a higher high and this was not, market has trying to move to the downside again. The downtrend started again. From here market has started the uptrend, but market has not given us the properly higher highs and higher lows properly strategy. So market just comes till 1752. I was thinking on Friday that market should have to come till 1748 or this type of area. From there market should have to go upside, but market just comes till this type of area 1752 and market moves upside. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, I will suggest you that these are the two important areas you guys have to watch very carefully. One is 1752. I will again mark this area, sorry. And the second area would be, because the market has given us the impulse, starting impulse from here, that is 1713. So these are the two impossible areas, but the thing is that if market will tries to fall down from this area, you guys can look for a buy trade from 1730 1738. So these are some analysis which I have tried to share to you guys. I hope so that you will like these analysis, and I will suggest you again, I will repeat some conclusions to you guys, that guys from 1785 you guys can look for the sell trade. But the thing is that at this type of area market should be very much volatile, so with a smaller stop loss you can enter here in a sell trade. The only you guys can look for a properly buy trade for a long term analysis whenever market will give you guys the closing above 1820. After 1820 you guys can hold your trade until 2000. This is what I am thinking right now about the gold. And on a smaller time frame chart, on the scalping, I have mentioned you some area that 1750 is also scalping area, good scalping area, and 1738 till 1730 is also the good scalping buying area. So you guys can also enter here in a buy trade also 1712. So below that you guys cannot look for the buy trade. So this is what only I have also mentioned small entries of buys to with you guys, and also tell you about the scalping areas about the market. I hope so guys you have liked you will like this video and like this content. Kindly share it with your friends, and stay blessed and stay blessed and must watch it.